Fox comes under masculine gender and vixen comes under feminine gender. Leopard comes under masculine gender and leopardess comes under feminine gender. Drone bee comes under masculine gender and queen bee comes under feminine gender. Buck deer comes under masculine gender and doe deer comes under feminine gender. He goat comes under masculine gender and she goat comes under feminine gender. Jack comes under masculine gender and Jenny comes under feminine gender. Tomcat comes under masculine gender and queen cat comes under feminine gender. Boar comes under masculine gender and sow comes under feminine gender. Peacock comes under masculine gender and peahen comes under feminine gender. Ram comes under masculine gender and ewe comes under feminine gender. Tiger comes under masculine gender and tigress comes under feminine gender. Cob comes under masculine gender and pen comes under feminine gender. Stallion comes under masculine gender and mare comes under feminine gender. Dog comes under masculine gender and bitch comes under feminine gender. Bull elephant comes under masculine gender and cow elephant comes under feminine gender. He wolf comes under masculine gender and she wolf comes under feminine gender. Buck rabbit comes under masculine gender and doe rabbit comes under feminine gender. Boar pig comes under masculine gender and sow pig comes under feminine gender.